So here we are outside Corendon Amsterdam New-West. This is a tribute portfolio hotel. We're outside the hotel now and we're going to go inside. We're staying in this hotel, so I'm going to give you a full idea of what to expect if you do book this hotel. So here we are walking into the lobby area. This hotel is under the company of Marriott Bonvoy, so if you remember, you'll be able to get points with your stay here. The lobby area is pretty cool. There's some nice velvet seats. We've got this nice table to do some work on. There is also a computer that you can use, and also a coffee machine and some complimentary water. But let's go ahead and head to the room that I stayed in. So my room was on the 3rd floor, room 343. Okay, so here we are walking into the room. The floor-to-ceiling windows are really nice. It lets a lot of natural light into the room. We've got a nice large LG TV as well. And the decoration in the room is quite sophisticated, quite elegant, quite minimal as well. There's plug sockets there which have a USB-C port and a USB port. I like the ambient lighting behind the headboard. We have a notepad and a pen there. And this is the AC controller, and just above here is where the vents are located. There's a nice ornament there. I'm going to have to be careful not to break that. And underneath here we have a coffee machine. This is where the coffees and teas are located. And underneath we have a mini fridge as well. Over here are the wardrobes where there's a safe inside. And here we have the bathroom. And this is the view from outside the window. So the hotel also has breakfast. The cost is €19, or it may be included in your package. So here we are in the restaurant called Mondi. The design of this restaurant is very quirky, it's very modern, lots of different colours and plants around. Let's have a look and see what's on offer for breakfast. So you don't just have to have breakfast here, they also do lunch and dinner, and the vibe turns into more of a bar/restaurant in the evenings. So I wanted to show you there's a 24-hour shop located just next to reception. So where the desks are located, it's just near there. It's a 24/7 shop which isn't manned by any staff, so if you wanted to buy anything, all you have to do is just pick up your item and scan it and pay for it. Now the hotel also has a spa called Vitality Spa. Let me just show you what's in the spa. So in the changing rooms, the lockers are quite cool. You are given a wristband and you scan your wristband and it'll tell you which locker will open. But let's go and check out the pool first. There's a pretty cool walkway as you walk down to where the pool is. And this is the pool area. Now the pool is heated. There's also a sauna located right next to this pool. So we have this area too where there are lots of sun lounges where you can relax. Over here we have more sun loungers with, and the wallpaper here is as though you are at a beach. There's also a larger sauna, and then we have this kind of Moroccan bath area here, so it's like marble everywhere. And there's also a steam room located here too. So that's pretty much everything in this area. Let me just show you the gym. So on this side we have the cardio equipment, and then we walk over to this side, and this is where all the weights are located. So we've got leg machines just here. There's also a bike there too, and we've got some free weights. There's 2 benches there, and then we have like a cable machine, and then also some kettlebells and some medicine balls. So that's pretty much everything for this hotel. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.